Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. First open any web browser, then go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter, click on download or documentation, go to documentation, then click on installing Jenkins. Then select Linux. See here, Jenkins installers are available for several Linux distributions like Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, RHL. Okay, and its derivatives. Scroll down, see the prerequisites. These are the minimum hardware requirement, and recommended is these are. Okay, if you want to see hardware requirements, you have to go to here. Okay, so next, see the software requirements. You must have the Java. So click on this Java requirement. I will open this link in the new tab. Go to here, see the supported Java versions are, see we have these versions are supported for these Jenkins versions. Okay, if you want to see the Jenkins versions, go to again jenkins.io, click on download. See here the latest stable releases. See, this is the latest stable version. Here also, see, these are the supported Java versions. Okay, see, we can install OpenJDK 21 or JRE 21. Okay, so go to here, scroll down. These commands are for the LTS versions. Okay, so first open terminal, verify whether we have Java is installed or not. Java --version. See, Java is not installed. You can install OpenJDK by running this command. Okay, so I'm going to install Java JDK by using this command. So copy it, or simply go to oracle.com, then click on products, scroll down, then click on Java, then click on download Java, then select the Java JDK 21. Then for Debian operating systems, we have to download this Debian package. Click on it. See, its size is about 160 megabytes. Wait until download completes. CD downloads ls. Wait a moment until download completes. See, download is ls. See, download is completed. Now install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give JDK. Give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Control L, verify Java version, Java-version. See, we have installed Java 21. ls, see, remove this file. We have successfully installed, so this file is not required. Use the tab. ls, we have cleared the space. Now go to this Jenkins official website here. So copy these lines, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now I go. Next, update the packages. Control L, sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Control L. Now install Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. Get install Jenkins. Hit enter. See, now it is downloading the latest one. See here, 2.492, and it is downloading. Its download size is 94 megabytes. We have successfully installed Jenkins. Now verify the version of Jenkins that we have installed. Jenkins --version. See, this is the version of the Jenkins that we have installed. Now verify the status of the Jenkins service. Sudo system ctl status Jenkins. Hit enter. See, Jenkins service is running and it is enabled, and this is the initial administrator password. You can get it later also. So now connect to Jenkins server. See, these are the commands to start the Jenkins if it is not started. For me, it is already started. Okay. So now we have to configure the Jenkins. So to configure Jenkins, see, these are the post installation steps. So we have to run this command, and the port number is 8080. Okay. Go to the new tab, give the localhost port number 8080, hit enter. See, we have to get the initial password from this file, or see, this is the same. Okay, so if you want to compare it, just copy this entire file name with the path, sudo more, paste it, hit enter. See, this password and this password both are same. So copy it, paste here, then click on continue. Not now. See here, customize Jenkins. See, if you want to install suggested plugins, we have to click on install suggested plugins, or if you want to select the plugins to install, you can select here. So I'm going with the recommended one. So click on install suggested plugins. See, plugins installation has been started. This may take time. I'm going to pause this video. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Now we have to create first admin user. It is not mandatory. Okay, you can continue as the admin. Okay, but I'm giving username as administrator. Then set the password for this account. Confirm the same. Full name. Then email. This is optional, but r2admin@r2schools.com. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL which needs to be connected. Click on save and finish. See, Jenkins is ready. Your Jenkins setup is complete. Click on start using Jenkins. See, you got the Jenkins dashboard. If you want to create new item, you have to click on here. If you want to see the build history, click on here. If you want to manage, or if you want to create job, click on here. Setup agent, other options are there. Click on manage Jenkins. If you want to install plugins, go to his plugins. Then if you want to see the available plugins, see here, populated the list of the plugins. If you want to see the installed plugins, click on here. See, these are the list of the plugins. If you want to change the password of this user, go to r2admin, go to security. See, if you want to change the password, you have to provide password here. Okay, I'm not going to, just I want to show you. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart the Jenkins service on Ubuntu operating systems. Go to terminal, Ctrl L, sudo systemctl status Jenkins. See, Jenkins is running, and also notice here the initial password is gone. Okay, we took it. Now stop it, sudo systemctl stop Jenkins. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, Jenkins is stopped. If you reload this page, see, it won't work. So to connect to Jenkins, the Jenkins service must be in started state. So start it, sudo systemctl start Jenkins. Hit enter. Verify the status again. See, Jenkins is running. Reload this page. See, we are able to connect. Give the username that we have created. Provide the password. So give the username. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart Jenkins. We have successfully restarted. Reload this page. Again, it will ask us to enter the credentials. See, we have successfully connected. We can also connect Jenkins by using, here we have connected by using localhost. We can also connect ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Copy. Go to new tab. Paste it. Give the colon 8080. See, you got the same console. Give the username and password. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Jenkins latest stable version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.